These are trains that are passing through and switching at the Roseville train yard. These are just some locomotives being moved around the yard. You can see the train driver up in that first locomotive, 5974. There's a friendly wave from one of the crew. This is a track repair train passing by. You can see the excavator there and the ballast in the cars. Those two locomotives over in the distance are in the process of switching cars, making up a train. The yard here at Roseville can actually hold 6,500 rail cars, and they can classify anywhere between 1,800 and 2,300 cars per day as they set up trains. There are 247 switches within this rail yard. Roughly 30 freight trains pass through Roseville every day, as well as AMTRAK and the Capital Corridor trains, which haul many passengers down to the Bay Area and Silicon Valley. I think that guy with the pickup truck right there is the Union Pacific track inspector working in Roseville Yard today. That's the AMTRAK California ZEPHYR coming through Roseville. It comes from Chicago and ends up in Emeryville, California, which is right next to Oakland and just across the Bay Bridge from San Francisco. It's kind of a long train. Here's our final string of locomotives. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Would you please like and subscribe? Thanks for watching.